going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 1,000 Times by Juice WRLD and Miley Cyrus. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll throat punch you in the mouth 1,000 times until you bleed your own blood. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be an E major. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Now our next chord is going to be an A major, and you can play it like a traditional A major. I like playing, in this chord progression, I like playing it down here. It's your middle finger is going to go 7th fret on the A string, your ring finger is on the 7th fret of the D string, and your index finger is on the 1st fret of the G string. It's the same formation as the E, you're just moving it down to 7, 7, and 6. Then C sharp minor, we're going to play kind of like an open version here. You're going to put your index finger on the 1st fret, or on the 4th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string. And then we're going back to that A there. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.